So I just got back from vacation. We're in Florida for the last week, and just trying to get back into the swing of it. I just got out of bed, didn't even comb my hair. I woke up and I started looking around the place. My wife and I took the boat out yesterday, so hopped on the pontoon boat that we have. There was no power to the boat, so like, you've got to be kidding me. Here it is. Here it's beginning already. So I had the whole family on the boat, and what happened with that is there was like a little mooring cover light that you can press on, and it illuminates the inside of the boat when you're putting the mooring cover on. So you guys that are boaters out there, the thing never worked, and when I left, I must have doinked on, and because it got power to it somehow, and because it came on, it killed my boat battery. So I got the boat jump started, and I'm gonna have to put a cutoff switch on that. I'll get back to that. I'll have a video on that probably in a little bit, just to kind of show you what I did. It's something you should always have on a boat motor. But man, I got a lot of work to do around here. I just rolled out of my house and I'm looking around, and this is what I'm waking up to. You take a week off and man, you got pool stairs that are floating around in the pool. I got to sandbag those, sink them back to the bottom. My grass is up to my kneecaps. The birds and squirrels got into a bag of birdseed, and I got birdseed all over the place. My fire pit's all got weeds in it, so we gotta pull all these out today. My firewood over here is all getting grown. We gotta weed all that out and get the fire pit re-straightened up and get this junk out of here. I've got to load all this stuff onto a trailer. These are all projects. There's carpets in here. I've got to weed whack all this, grab these leaves out of here that are in the thing, run all the stuff to the dump. What a mess. And if that isn't enough, this happens every year. It really pisses me off. We mulched this whole area right here. It was nice, and it all grew back into crabgrass, so I gotta pull all this out of here. And it doesn't matter. In that fire pit, we had that barrier down. We did it right. It doesn't even matter. They still growed. And then my boat trailer is over here, along with my utility trailer that I gotta load all that crap onto, and I gotta mow under here because it's getting pretty long, so I don't want bugs to start showing up. More weed pulling to do. Oh yeah, and Super Clean's been after me to do some video with their product. Yeah, so welcome home to me. Got a ton of work to do today, and but by the end of the day, about 8-10 hours from now, it should be look pretty good. So hope you guys are enjoying our channel. Stay tuned, guys. Take it easy.